In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change theme language in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and design options. Once you are inside the admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Online Store, then click Themes. This section shows the theme that is currently live on your store, along with any other themes you may have installed. Next, find the specific theme you want to edit. If you have more than one theme in your store, make sure you choose the correct one before making changes. Beside the Customize button, you will see a three-dot menu. Click that menu to open more options for the theme. From the drop-down list, select Edit Default Theme Content. This area lets you control the text and language-related content used throughout the theme. It is useful if you want to adjust certain default words or phrases that appear in your storefront. If your goal is to change the entire language of the theme, look toward the top of the page next to the Localize option. You will see another three-dot menu there. Click it, and then choose Change Theme Language. This option is specifically for switching the theme into a different available language, rather than editing individual text fields one by one. After that, open the Language drop-down menu and choose the language you want to use for the theme. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct language, since this change can affect how buttons, labels, and other default theme text appear across your store. Once you have made your selection, click Save. Shopify will then apply the new theme language to your store. It is a good idea to preview your storefront after saving so you can verify that the language appears as expected and that the theme content is displaying clearly. This process is quick, but it can make a big difference if you are customizing your store for a specific audience or region. Just remember that changing the theme language affects the theme's built-in text, so if you need more detailed wording changes, you can return to the default theme content section at any time. That covers everything you need to know.